Daddy, you wrote it before, didn't you? It's a galaxy cat.
Oh, okay. Are you recording now?
Yeah,
Okay.
because I don't want to take pictures.
Alright, cowboy. I'm going to give you a few instructions before we get started. You're going to want to hold on to that strap nice and tight. Squeeze those knees tight as you can to the bull. And when the bull has his head up like that, you're going to want to lean forward. And when he puts it down, you're going to want to lean back. We'll give that a try real quick. Alright, lean back. There you go. And lean forward. One more time. Lean back. And lean forward. He's got the hang of it, folks, so we're going to start going nice and slow. Spinning him round and round, up and down, any way we can think of here tonight. That's right, cowboy. Keep leaning back and forward. Back and forward. Squeeze those knees nice and tight. Hold tight to that strap. That's the key to being on Old Dynamite here tonight. Looks like you're doing a great job, Serene. So spinning you around the other way. Increasing the speed just a little bit. Increasing the buck. Great job, cowboy. Lean back and forward. Here we go. Increasing everything. Increasing the speed. Increasing the buck. Going a little bit faster. Going a little bit harder. Lean back, lean forward. That's how you do it, cowboy. He's doing a great job, folks. Remember, cowboy. Lean with the box. Alright, cowboy. Hopping up there one more time.
Come on, babe.
And then it's you next. Haha.
Go back and forth. Let it do that.
Alright, cowboy, you ready? He's ready, folks, so here we go. Spinning him around just as fast as he fell off. Here we go. Bucking a little bit harder. See how long it takes before Dynamite bucks him to the ground. That's right, folks. Alright, cowboy, doing a great job. Lean back, lean forward. Squeeze those knees nice and tight. You're going to spin you around the other way. Make you nice and dizzy. He's off. Alright, hopping up there one more time, cowboy.
This is the best one.
One more time you put up.
Come on, babe. Forward back, forward back.
Alright, cowboy, you ready? He is ready, so here we go. We're
Forward
going to
back.
go pretty fast now. See
You went on a real one, and I can't believe this is
Alright,
happening.
cowboy, lean back, lean forward. Squeeze those knees nice and tight. Alright, cowboy, do a great job. He's off. Alright, everybody, give him a big round of applause. He's a great job.